Sediment buildup in a water heater acts like a blanket over the heat source, forcing the unit to run longer to deliver the same hot water. Here is what actually happens and how to fix it. In gas heaters, sediment settles on the bottom and insulates the flame from the tank, so less heat transfers into the water and more energy is wasted up the flue. In electric heaters, mineral scale crusts onto the heating elements and reduces their surface contact with water, which lowers output and can overheat the elements. You will notice longer recovery times, uneven water temperatures, rumbling or popping sounds, and higher utility bills. To minimize buildup, set the thermostat to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which slows mineral precipitation while staying safe. Flush the tank at least twice a year. Turn off power or gas, close the cold inlet. Connect a garden hose to the drain valve. Open a hot faucet. Then drain several gallons until water runs clear, and finally refill and restore power. If you have very hard water, add a whole home water softener or a sediment prefilter to cut down on minerals before they reach the heater. Common mistakes make this worse. People skip flushing for years because the drain valve clogs. But you can open the temperature and pressure relief valve briefly to break the vacuum, then use short on-off bursts at the drain to move sludge, or replace a plastic drain with a full-port brass valve, so future flushing is easy. Many crank the thermostat higher to compensate for slow hot water, which accelerates scale formation and scald risk. So stick to 120 degrees Fahrenheit and insulate hot pipes to improve delivery without raising the set point. Others ignore popping or rumbling, thinking it is normal, but those sounds are steam bubbles trapped under sediment. So schedule a thorough flush or a professional descaling before it damages the tank or the elements. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it easier to match homeowners with local plumbing pros who can handle water heater flushing, descaling, and replacements. We also help contractors find steady work through detailed profiles and our discussion community where the trade and homeowners share advice, compare methods, and troubleshoot tough jobs together.